Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video it's my pleasure to share you an unboxing, a first look of a new Microtech knife that I got. This will be the Tactical Response 2, or the model number is TR-201, and this is one of the, let's say, one of the first two models that Microtech ever released. So this design is around 23 years old. So yeah, quite a long time, and I'm really happy that I could finally get one of these, and this will be the newer version with the MagnaCut blade. So also my first MagnaCut knife. So as you can see, the box is beautifully designed. All your necessary informations, warranty and so on is included in the box. So if you don't misplace the box, you will always have it. Let me try it. Yeah, this is a card here, so you have a limited warranty, and also do not abuse. Yes, of course, we all know this. All the information you will need is here. And let me say that that I have been a Protec user for a long time. My first and still in use, the TR-4 is from around 2013. If I'm not mistaken, and yeah, it has been a while since I got any new Protecs. The previous ones I got on loan from one of my friends. It was in 2016, so yeah, quite a lot of time have passed since, and I decided it is time to check out this design because it spoke to me, and it comes in a really nice cloth, baggy. The Protec sticker, and just let me say that they have really good customer service. I have spoken with Protec a couple of times during the years. We exchanged some informations and so on, and they are really good people there. So I am really happy that I could support their business, of course. Now let's talk about the Tactical Response 2. So this is the second model that they produced. The first one has a Tenta configuration blade, and it's a little bit similar to the CQC7 that they now produced. They are now producing for Emerson. So they do not make those knives that quite often. Usually they make the TR-2, which has a really nice dropper profile blade. I'll be showing you the comparison between the CQC7. It is overall a little bit larger knife, but let me give you the specifications on this one. So we have a length of 19.3 centimeters, 7.6 inches. The blade is 7.8 centimeters or 3.1 inch. The blade width is 2.3 centimeters or 0.9 inches. Thickness of the blade is 2.8 millimeters or 0.11 inches. Handle 11.4 centimeters or 4.5 inches with a thickness of 1.2 centimeters or 0.5 inches that is measured without the pocket clip. I have to mention that this is the redesigned new version of the pocket clip. Usually Protec knives did use the standard 3 screw configuration, like also Microtech Emerson does, or Benchmade. So I don't know if they are compatible because I have not swapped them, but now they are giving us a really nicely designed deep carry pocket clip, and this is how the deep carry pocket clip is done right. So we have nicely mounted flush screws inset milled into the aluminum handle scales. So yeah, really nice. So on the blade we have MagnaCut. So this will be the first time I have this steel. I did hear only good things, and I'm quite certain that Protec does really good heat treat on this steel. So it is the newest, the baddest, not as bad, but the baddest blade steel you can have on a knife, because its corrosion resistance is tough. So it has all the good aspects of like a EDC knife should have. So I'm looking forward to test it out. On the handles, we have T6 6061 aluminum, which is hard anodized. This is probably also somewhere a mil spec for this coating. And this version has also they call it with area of engraving to create tension. So basically it will help you to grip the knife, and also you can have a better purchase, not just a smooth aluminum surface to have. A little bit of jimping on the top, a functional one, also on the bottom to lock your finger really nicely. This is how it looks like in my XL size hand. Let me grab it a little bit harder if I feel any kind of hot spot. So no, it's really nice. So I feel a little bit the pocket clip, but not that it would poke somewhere in my hand. So really nicely designed. Let's see the tension on really nicely. This is a medium stiffness, so go to there. And since this is a side opening automatic, you have a push button lock there. As you can see, there's a stop pin right there, and as you can see, the push button is flush, so it will not on accident open. I never had an accident by carrying my Protec that it will be open by accident, so I can attest to that. Okay, the finish is really nice. Like I prefer my DC blades. There's a nice Stonewash. We have Protec USA on the blade and MagnaCut, and that is everything there is there. Let me check if somewhere anything else. So usually on the other side we have the model number, but there is none. So let's see the sharpness out of the box. Yeah. So this is definitely nice and sharp, but I feel a little bit of resistance, so stropping it a little bit would probably mitigate that a little bit of resistance. But as you can see, really nice and sharp. We have also sharpening choil. Now it's probably not necessary to do that, but let me try a strike test on the button. Yeah, bang walt tight. You can see no problems there. So this is a really sturdy, heavy-duty knife. Centering perfect, and Protec action is just one of the best, if not the best, that I have experienced so far. So the spring fires really nice and hard. Be careful if you have any kind of Protec and you would like to give it to somebody who does not know how to operate the automatic, because it happened to me quite some times. Not only with automatics, that people do not expect, have not the experience, and they grab it lightly, and when they push the button, the knife will fly away through the room. So yeah, just a little PSA. So let's see the pocket profile. So yeah, this is nicely deep carry, nicely concealed with a really nice matte finish, so it will not reflect light. So yeah, this is everything I could expect to have from a great reputable American company like Protec. So they know what they are doing, have been on the market since a long time. So okay, the weight is 98.3 grams, so 3.5 ounces. So maybe I did not mention, but this knife is feather light in my opinion, so it will not weight your pants down. Okay, so now let's see my user. So here is my TR-4. It's a quite a larger knife. It's still one of my my most favorite Protec knives that I experienced. Let me say, it has been over 10 years, so I would probably should do a update on this one. So stay tuned for that. So TR 4.1. And like I mentioned, the TR1 or T1 is a configuration that looks a little bit similar to the CQC7. This is why they're not producing it anymore. Yes, it is a smaller knife, has a little bit different contouring on the handle profile, as you can see. But since Protec makes the best automatic Emersons currently on the market, then it is probably no place to have two similar knives in the catalog. So I understand that, and it's okay. And for me personally, I love the tender profile blade, but for EDC purposes, I always prefer to have a nice drop point with a flat grounded blade and stonewashed configuration. So just to see, here is the comparison between the CQC7, the Emerson CQC7, and the TR-2. Now let's see some other knives. So here is also one of my all-time favorite EDC knives, the Strider SNG. Here is the Microtech LUDT. It's a little bit larger. Also a side opening automatic, and they now released a new generation with a little bit different design. Here is CJRB Pyrite Alt. Here's the CRKT Pillar number 3. Benchmade 940. Is this 940? Yeah, sometimes I'm forgetting these numbers. So 940, Osborne design. Let's see the Red Model 2. So this is the smaller one. And here is the full size. Spyderco Delica, Buck Vintage Select, Buck Vintage Avid, Kershaw Blur, let's see the small Griptilian from Benchmade. Here is the full-size one. Paramilitary Model 3. Here's the Model 2. CVV Elementum and QSP Penguin. Benchmade Bug Out, which they look like to be the same size. Also one of my favorite EDCs, the Giant Mouse Ace Grand, which is a little bit larger. And the Rough Rider Peanut. And let me check. Let's close it down with the K-bar dozer folding hunter. So overall, what to say more that I really enjoy this new acquisition. I'm not getting that much automatic knives lately, so I have a little bit of a backlog with these designs, and I'm really happy that after so many years I could get one of these. So now that's the final part. Let's talk a little bit about the pricing. So the MSRP is $300. Usually these will go for around $225. If you are looking to get one of these in Europe, then you have to look around, because not that many are imported, and they are usually quickly bought and out of stock. But the price is around 260 euros, which is really great pricing. I got mine from Coturali Tourangelle, which is a French knife reseller. I will try to link down below, but they are probably sold out by now. But you can look around and maybe you will find one. So should be readily available as the year unfolds, because this is, like I mentioned, the new version, the new model, and this is a standard production knife. So no limited quantities are imposed on this model. So if you could not get one, then just try and wait for some of your dealers or ask them, and they will be probably able to get one for you, because there should be no problem to get it. Okay, so with that being said, I would like to thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. And if you are not a subscriber, then please consider subscribing to not miss any future videos. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day, and hope to see you soon.